Now we will follow the log through the DLI to the reducer twin. At the reducer twin, our objective is to put two flat surfaces opposite of each other on the log using two chip heads or vertical bandsaws. The log is first scanned and then rotated to put the crook of the log down. Once rotated, the log gets scanned again, with this decision telling the bandsaws and chip heads where to move. The reducer twin can use just the chip heads, or it can use any combination of chip heads and bandsaws to take off sideboards. These can be 1 or 2 inches thick. The sideboards will fall down on the edge or end feed deck, while the log with the flat surfaces, or cant, will proceed to the curve saw gang. At the curve saw gang, the cant is scanned again and then cut into boards. Curve saw gang technology utilizes the scan to allow the saw box to follow the natural curve of the cant, greatly increasing our yield. The curve saw gang is made up of a bottom and top arbor, with each arbor having 24 saws equally spaced apart in 2-inch intervals. Chipping heads come in on the sides and clean up the shims created from the saws, or they can make a 1-inch thick board.